morning, students. Today in this class we are going to solve some examples. In that first example is prove that cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 into cos 16 is equal to 3 by 4. So first take LHS. That means cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 into cos 16. Here cos square 76 plus cos square 16. Actually at present any formula is not applicable. When we have square in a compound angle, we studied two formulas. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. And the second formula is cos a plus b into cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. So that here we have to change. How to change means, first one cos square 76 as it is, with the help of identity property, this is 1 minus sin square 16 degrees. Okay, minus here product of two trigonometric functions. Product of two trigonometric functions means if you want to apply any formula, the constant 2 is required here. So that dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2 into cos 16. So now the constant 1 plus cos square 76 minus sin square 16 minus 1 by 2 into in brackets, which is representing as one of the formula. That formula is 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b standard formula is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, that is formula. Now here 1 plus, this is another formula. Just now I told you cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b means formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So this part is over, minus 1 by 2 into cos of 76 plus 16. Just you can ask these two angles, that means 92 degrees. 6 plus 6 12, 8 plus 1 9, plus cos 76 minus 16. Then we can write 60 degrees. Now 1 plus cos of 76 plus 16, add those two angles, 92 degrees into cos 76 minus 16, 60 minus, multiply with 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 minus into plus minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees. Now you can replace the values, that means 1 plus cos 92, there is no any value, just write as it is, but cos 60 means we have value 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So now plus cos 92 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 92. So these two are cancelled, one is positive and the one is negative. The remaining numbers are 1 and last minus 1 by 4 because 2 into 2. So 1 minus 1 by 4, LCM is 4, then 4 minus 1, so finally 3 by 4. So this is only RHS. Now one more example. Show that for sin phi theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 7 theta. So to proving this is, we can take LHS or RHS, whatever it may be. Okay, as usual, first I am taking as LHS. That means for sin 5 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta. This is a product in between. So product means the constant is required constant is 2. Here 4 is there. So that this is we can write 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 sin 5 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 and again cos 3 theta, and this is indicate in brackets because the bracket term is representing one of the formula. That formula is 2 is as it is. This is just consider as 2 sin A cos B. Both two angles are different. So that one angle is A, another angle is B. So 2 sin A cos B. The standard formula is 2 sin A cos B means first formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So that sin A plus B 5 theta by 2 plus 3 theta by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B 5 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2 into cos 3 theta. Okay. So now 2 into sin, here LCM is 2, then 5 theta plus 3 theta, then we can write 8 theta plus sin LCM is 2, 5 theta minus 3 theta, that means 2 theta into cos 3 theta. Okay. So now 2 into sin, just you can take cancellation, we can write 4 theta plus sin 2 cancel theta into cos 3 theta. So now here this is totally multiply with 2 and also cos 3 theta. That means just multiply 2 sin 4 theta and also cos 3 theta plus 2 sin theta into cos 3 theta. Okay. Now here product of two functions, same here also product of two functions, and the constant is 2. Here already 2 is there. So now directly this is one of the formula. Just so you have to think it. This is 2 sin A cos B. Once again, first one is 2 sin A cos B. The standard formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. That formula I am going to apply now. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B 4 theta minus 3 theta. So this part is over. Now second part, that is 2 sin A cos B. This is also same. This is also 2 sin A cos B. Formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B theta plus 3 theta plus sin A minus B. That means plus sin A minus B theta minus 3 theta. Just now simplify. Sin 4 theta plus 3 theta, just have those two angles 7 theta plus sin 4 theta minus 3 theta, only theta, plus sin theta plus 3 theta, that means 4 theta, plus theta minus 3 theta, that means sin minus 2 theta. But here that means last this is just like a sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So first one is as it is, and the next one also as it is, and the next term sin 4 theta. Now this is we can write minus sin 2 theta, because of sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Just you can observe this is only RHS. So now we are going to start exercise 6F. That means this is last exercise. From this exercise you will get one long answer question from public examination. This is a very important exercise. Each and every problem completely depending upon transformations and multiple submultiple angle formulas. So the first question is, if capital A, capital B, capital C are angles of a triangle, then prove that sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 cos A sin B cos C. Almost all in every problem in this exercise, prove that. That means just you can take LHS with the help of formulas you can do that, automatically we will get RHS. Here first you can take LHS, but before that we have one statement. If capital A, capital B, capital C are angles of a triangle, that means we know that sum of the three angles is always 180 degrees. That is the meaning of the statement. So that we know that capital A plus capital B plus capital C is equal to 180 degrees. From this relation, we can write A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Is it or not? Or suppose B plus C is equal to, we can write 180 minus A. And one more way, A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. So you can write any like. And also first one take as equation 1. And from this only, suppose I want to write C is equal to, suppose 180 minus of A plus B. This is the standard relation, A plus B plus C equal to 180. Then we can write A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. And also we can write C is equal to 180 minus A minus B. That we can express as in this way. Okay. Now we can take LHS, that is sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This is LHS. Okay. Now for first two parts, apply transformations formula. That means here sin C minus sin D formula is applicable. Sin C minus sin D, that formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means 2A plus 2B by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. That means 2A minus 2B by 2. From first two parts plus last term is sin 2C. From multiple and submultiple, sin 2A standard formula is 2 sin A cos A. So this is sin 2C, then we can write 2 sin C cos C. For first two parts, by using transformations of formula sin C minus sin D. Last one sin 2C, just like a sin 2A. The formula is 2 sin A cos A. This is C. So that's 2 sin C cos C. Okay. So now 2 cos of, here we can take 2 is common, then both are cancelled. So we will get only A plus B into same here also 2 cancel, then A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Now in the first angle this is A plus B. I wrote here already A plus B means we can replace 180 minus C. So 2 cos, in the place of A plus B we can write 180 minus C in the place of A plus B into sin of A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Now this is 180. When we have 180 with the help of algebra T curves, 180, that means the function does not change. So you can write cos C. To constant, just you can continue. And it is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means that belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos position is negative. So that this is minus. And the next term is sin A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Okay. Now from this step, we have one function is common. Just you can verify which is the common factor of these two terms. Constant to constant to 2. So we can take 2 is common. And also one more trigonometry function, that is cos C cos C. So finally you can take 2 cos C is common or minus 2 cos C is common. You can take any, whatever it may be. 2 cos C or minus 2 cos C, anything, then sine of A minus B. This is minus, so that right minus. When it is common, the remaining part is only sine C. After that, just you can verify whether it is correct or wrong. Minus 2 cos C into this is as it is. Minus into minus plus cos C into this is. Okay. Now, in brackets, this angle is in terms of AB and this angle is C. Now, this angle C, it should be converted into in terms of AB. How to convert means, C is equal to, we can write 180 minus of A plus B. That term just you can replace here. So, minus 2 cos C into sine of A minus B minus sine. In the place of C, 180 minus A plus B. Okay. So, now minus 2 cos C into sine of A minus B. Again it is 180 with the help of also T cups minus sine A plus B. Because 180 minus theta means second quadrant means sine is positive, there is no change. Okay. Now, here this is one of the formula. In a transformations beginning class, I gave you 4 formulas. In that first formula is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. In that second formula is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Just here a reverse process here. So that you can take minus is common here. Here we have already minus 2 cos C. So, minus 2 cos C is already common. Okay. Now, you can take minus is common. So, minus minus plus. When we are taking minus is common, then we can write sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Okay. Are you clear? Here already we have minus. From this we can take minus is common. Minus minus plus. Then we can write sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Now, this is totally one of the formula transformations. Sine A plus B minus sine A minus B means formula is 2 cos A sine B. So, 2 cos C, this is as it is by formula 2 cos A sine B. And at last 2 into 2, 4. Write in order. Order means first write angle A position. Next angle B. Next angle C. Angle A, that means cos A. Angle B position sine B. Angle C position cos C. So, this is only RHS. So, this is the way of process. Simply I am telling you once again because it is very important. So, totally in this question, that means such type of questions, we have totally 3 terms. Just apply formula for first 2 terms based on transformations formulas. And for third one, apply multiple and submultiple related to formula. And when we have A plus B, just you can replace 180 minus by this concept. Okay. After that, just you can take common, whatever it is possible to take common from the 2 terms. So, we will get in terms of A, B and C. And the C is again converted in terms of A and B. How to convert means from this you can write C is equal to 180 minus A plus B. Then automatically it is related to one of the transformations of formula. So, almost every problem, this is only process. Next problem is, if A, comma B, comma C are angles of a triangle, then prove that cos 2A minus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to 1 minus 4 sin A cos B sin C. So, first you can take, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, equation 1. And from this we can write A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. And also from this we can write C is equal to 180 minus A minus B. That is only we can write 180 minus of A plus B. This is the common part. Now, like as a previous problem, take LHS. Cos 2A minus cos 2B plus cos 2C. So, totally we have 3 terms. cos 2a minus cos 2b. For first two terms apply transformations formula, just like as a cos c minus cos d. Standard formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. That means 2a plus 2b by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c. In previous problem we have sin 2c. Sin 2c means just like as a sin 2a, formula is 2 sin a cos a. But this is a cos 2c. That means just like a cos 2a. But in a cos 2a we have three formulas in multiple and submultiple. In out of three formulas, which formula is applicable here? That is depending upon RHS. Here this is a cos 2c. C is, angle C is in terms of sine function. Angle C is in terms of sine function. So that cos 2a formula apply in terms of sine function. Cos 2a standard formula is in terms of sine. 1 minus 2 sine square a. So that cos 2c means 1 minus 2 sine square c. Once again I am telling you, sin 2a means we have only one formula, 2 sin a cos a, that is over. But when we are applying cos 2a we have three formulas. That is depending upon RHS part. RHS angle C is in terms of sine function. So that cos 2a formula apply in terms of sine function. The formula is 1 minus 2 sine square a. So 1 minus 2 sine square c, because this is cos 2c. Okay. Now here we have constant 1. That is right first of all. In RHS also that is only. So that first constant 1, continuation minus 2 sin, you can take 2 is common, a plus b into sin, again 2 is common, a minus b. The remaining part is minus 2 sin square c. So now 1 minus 2 sin a plus b, from this we can write 180 minus c into sin of a minus b minus 2 sin square c. Now 1 is as it is, minus 2 is a constant, sin 180. 180 means there is no change in function, right? Sin c. It is a plus or minus means plus, because 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive, so write as it is. And the next one is sin a minus b minus 2 sin square c. Write constant 1 as it is. Like as a previous problem, from this we can take a common factor. So here common factor is constant part is 2 and also sin c. Finally minus 2 sin c is common factor. Then the remaining terms are sin a minus b. Then 2 is already common, we can write plus sin c. And once again just you can verify whether it is correct or wrong. This is into this is, okay, minus into plus minus 2 sin c into sin c, so 2 sin square c. Okay, it is clear. So now like as a previous problem only, in brackets, that means this angle is in terms of AB, this angle is C. That angle C, it should be converted into in terms of A and B. How to convert means based on this is, so that 1 minus 2 sin c into sin of A minus B plus sin, instead of c we can write 180 minus A plus B. So 1 minus 2 sin c into sin of A minus B. Again 180, the function does not change, plus sin A plus B. So and 1 minus 2 sin c is as it is. Now in beginning transformations, I gave you 4 formulas. All the formulas are started with A plus B, so that the sin A plus B, write in order, sin A plus B, that means this is only, next one is plus sine A minus B. Just that step only, write in order. Now, this is entirely one of the formula in transformations. Let us verify. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula is 2 sin A cos B. Here we have already 1 minus 2 sin C. 1 minus 2 sin C. And from this, that means based on formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula, 2 sin A cos B. So finally 1 minus 2 into 2, 4. Write in order. Order means first angle A, that means sin A. Next angle B, that means cos B. Next angle is sin C. So this is only RHS. So the next problem, if same statement A, B, C are angles of a triangle. So the common statement, prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equal to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. So first of all, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. This is equation 1. And from this, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. And from this, C is equal to 180 minus of A plus B. Okay. Now LHS, that is sin A plus sin B minus sin C, LHS. So now first two bars, just like a sin C plus sin D. Standard formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 A plus B by 2 C plus D into cos C minus D by 2. That means A minus B by 2 minus sin C. Same from multiple and submultiple only. Sin 2A formula is 2 sin A cos A. Sin 2A. Sin A means 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So that sin C means formula is 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. That is the formula from multiple and submultiple angles. Now it is equal to 2 sin. This is A plane. In previous case, previous problem, we have 2A, 2B. So 2 is cancelled. Previous problem. But here there is no chance. It is A plus B. Like as the previous problem, A plus B means we can write 180 minus C in numerator. And we have again by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. So now 2 into sin 180 minus C whole by 2. Do you understand? A plus B means from this step we can write 180 minus C. Now you can split. That means 180 by 2, 90 minus C by 2. That means 90 minus C by 2. And the next one is cos of A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. So now this is a 90. By also T cos, the function will be changed. 2 cos C by 2, symbol is plus. Do you know already? Because 90 minus theta, that means the first quadrant, into cos of A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Now we can take a common factor from this step. So which is the common factor? Means 2, and the function is cos C by 2. So finally 2 cos C by 2 is common. The remaining terms are cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. So now 2 cos C by 2 and this is cos A minus B by 2. In process there is no change. I told in the previous problem like that only. That means this step in terms of A and B. This is C. Convert into AB. C means 180 minus A plus B. That means sin C means 180 minus A plus B. Here by 2. That means you can write by 2. That means we will get one more step here. That means 2 cos C by 2. So 2 cos C by 2. Cos of A minus B by 2. So cos of A minus B by 2 minus sine. So sine. Whole by 2 this is. That means just you can separate. 180 by 2. Then we can write 90. 90 minus A plus B by 2. So A plus B by 2. And this is 2 cos C by 2. And this is cos of A minus B by 2. That angle is 90 degrees. When the angle is 90, the function will be changed. So sine changes to minus cos A plus B by 2. Now this step we can write 2 cos C by 2. Now, this is also can be written as cos of A by 2 minus B by 2 minus cos of A by 2 plus B by 2. Now in transformations, that is one of the formula. It is just like as cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is a formula 2 sin A sin B. So 2 cos C by 2 into formula is 2 sin A sin B. And just write in order. That means 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Write in order. Sin A by 2. Next angle is B. Sin B by 2 into cos C by 2. So this is only required RHS. So the next problem is same. A, B is a angles of a triangle. So we know the statement of meaning of statement. Then prove that cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, equation 1. So this is the common part, and A plus B is equal to 180 minus C, and C is equal to 180 minus A minus B. That means 180 minus of A plus B. Now I am taking as LHS cos A plus cos B minus cos C. For first two parts, cos C plus cos D, the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 and minus, this is cos C, same from multiple and submultiple. Cos C, that means cos to A first of all. Cos to A formula I told you already, we have in terms of sine and in terms of cos. But here which formula is applicable? C is in terms of sine function. So that cos C formula write in terms of sine function. Cos 2A formula 1 minus 2 sine square A. Cos 2A. In submultiple, cos A means 1 minus 2 sine square A by 2. So finally cos C means 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2. And one more main important point is here. Here we have minus, so that this is start with bracket. Don't forget it. That is the main point here. So now constant part. This is minus 1. So that start with minus 1. Minus of this is, then we will get minus 1. So start with minus 1. Plus 2 cos, this is A plus B, 180 minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 minus into minus plus 2 sine square C by 2. So now minus 1 plus 2 cos 180 minus c by 2 means just you can split. 180 by 2, 90 minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin square c by 2. Now minus 1 plus 2, this is 90 degrees. Function will be changed. That means sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin square c by 2. In process there is no change. So as per process, the next continuity part is common factor. So which is the common factor here? You can observe 2 and also sin c by 2. So plus 2 sin c by 2 is a common factor. Then cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2 after taking common. Now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2. So cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin. Now the function, the angle c changes to in terms of a and b. So in the place of c we can write 180 minus a plus b. In the place of c again we have by 2. So by 2. So now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2, and this is 180 by 2, that means 90 plus sin 90 minus a plus b by 2. In the process there is no change as it is a process. So now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2, and the next one is 90. Function will be changed. That means plus cos a plus b by 2. So plus cos a plus b by 2. So now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, and this is start with plus, write in order. That means this system cos of, this is we can write a by 2 plus b by 2 plus next one is cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Same that step only, just write in order. Now this is a transformations formula. That formula is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b formula is 2 cos a cos b. So minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, with the help of formula, 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. So finally minus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. In order, angle A cos a by 2, angle B cos b by 2, and angle C is sin c by 2. So this is only RHS. So we will do some more problems in the next class.